Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the Japanese sword, or we could also say the word for sword in Japanese, normally associated with samurai swords specifically, or swords used by light infantry and all sorts of warriors in feudal Japan, but in general this is the word for sword. It's often mispronounced, so when you have Anglophone speakers that try to pronounce this, they will say either katana or katana. They're both incorrect. The correct pronunciation in Japanese is katana, katana, ka-ta-na. So all syllables, or mora, are the same length, so you don't stress any of these. But for the advanced learners, when it comes to the pitch accent, this is a low-high-low pattern. These are called nakadaka patterns, and you start low, ka, you go high, ta, and you return low, na, katana, katana. Now, there is a secondary possible pronunciation with the hairband pattern, so from low to high and staying high, katana, and some Japanese use that too. So at the end of the day, you have two options, katana or katana. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.